If you're a business that offers appointments or classes, you might want to set up your practitioner's profile and availability within Whautomate platform. Let's look at how to do that. Once you go to the team members section, select the team members profile that you want to edit and click on this edit profile icon. Here you have mandatory fields like language proficiency and gender. Here I am going to select English and I'm going to select the gender as well. And I can upload the staff's profile photo if I wish to. And this will be seen by your customers when they are booking an appointment. If you don't wish to upload your staff's profile picture, that's totally fine. That's completely optional. And we have the contact information. This is information that we have already filled out during the invite process. These are information that are private. These won't be displayed to your customers as such. These are only used for login and OTP purposes for multi-factor authentication. And we have a biography section. If you wish to add in more details about your practitioner, you have the option to do so. And you can add in qualifications, awards, recognition, and experience as well. I'm happy with just these fields and I'm gonna save. Okay, I have successfully saved the practitioner profile. The next thing that I need to do is role and availability for my staff. Under the role and availability section, here we can type in the role of your staff. Depending on your business, this role could differ. I'm going to put in yoga instructor for this demo, and I can select the services. We will look in the next video. We will look into detail about how to set up services in the next video. I'm just going to select consultation for now. And this is where we set up the staff's availability. Depending on their work schedule, you can set up the time as, let's say, the staff is available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I can put in like that. And for convenience, I can also copy this schedule across all the weekdays and apply it, and it will apply to all the other days. Most of the businesses would have a different schedule for weekends. Depending on your schedule, you can click on this plus icon and add your schedule for the weekend as well. I'm going to select 9 to 12:30. That's good for me. And we also have blocking of staff availability. At later point in time, if the staff is unavailable or on a planned leave for a longer period of time, you can always add in dates that the staff is not available, so their consultations won't be booked or their calendar will be blocked for those date and time that you are giving it in here. Now that I've successfully saved, that's it for this video. Continue following this tutorial series to understand the other parts of Whautomate platform. Thank you.